Hey team, welcome to the numbers game. I'm Coach T, and in this tutorial we're going to be performing vector projection. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications on more math tutorials. Alright, now let's take a look at this example. Our example says project the vector 1, 2, 3 onto the vector 1, 1, 1, and we're going to perform a straightforward computation to solve this. So let's first go over a couple of formulas that we're going to need. The first is the projection formula itself. It says the projection of vector b onto the vector a equals a component of b with respect to a dot vector a over the magnitude of vector a. So we see we have the component of vector b with respect to a in this, so let's go over that formula as well. The component of b with respect to a equals the dot product of vector a and b over the magnitude of vector a. So because the projection formula has the component in it, we're going to first solve for the component of vector b with respect to a, and then we're going to take that piece and plug it into the projection formula. And also notice the projection formula that we just went over is for the projection of b onto a. So that means that this is our vector b, and we're projecting it onto this vector, which will represent our vector a. Alright, so let's start with finding the component of b. To do this, we first need to find the dot product of vectors a and b. This will equal 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 3. That'll give us 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equals 6, and this is our numerator. And for the denominator, we need to solve for the magnitude of vector a. This equals the square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, which simplifies down to the square root of 3. So at this point, we see that the component of b with respect to a equals 6 over the square root of 3. And this can be rewritten as 2 square root 3. Alright, so now that we have the component of b with respect to a, we can solve for the projection of b onto vector a. This equals the component of b, which is 2 square root 3 dot vector a over the magnitude of vector a, which we found earlier as the square root of 3. Now notice this square root of 3 and this square root of 3 cancel out. So that leaves us with 2 dot vector a, 1, 1, 1. And then we can simplify this to give us a final answer of the projection vector 2, 2, 2. And there you have it. We have found our projection vector. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more math tutorials. I'm Coach T, and thanks for watching the numbers game.